Alva's family vlog. Dad's searching for a yummy cookie recipe that we can bake together.
These look delicious. Banana chips, cinnamon, and Wellie boots.
Wellie boots? Yuck!
No, it's just an ad that's popped up.
Huh? Why are there ads for Wellie boots on a recipe site?
Well, I was searching for Wellie boots yesterday. It must have been the cookies on that site.
Cookies?
Not the kind of cookies we're going to bake. Internet cookies are what websites use to gather information about you. Most are helpful. However, some cookies pass on information about you to other sites that want to sell you things like...
Wellie boots!
Exactly. Let me try a different recipe site. One that allows me to block these annoying type of cookies.
I wonder if there are those annoying type of cookies in Gizmo. Mo, go, Gizmo!
A lovely thing.
Hello, Mayor Garth.
Hello, Alva. Hi, Mo. I'm rather excited. Today at the Wellie Archive, I'm officially unveiling a new shelf.
Excited about a new shelf?
This is a silly shelf, full of the stories of all the funniest things that ever happened in Gizmo. But first, I'm off to buy a gift for Wellie to say thanks for helping to organize everything. I'm getting them their favorite, a box of Giznana chip cookies from the Bake Wellie cart.
That'll be a lovely surprise.
Why don't you join me?
That sounds great.
Hooray! Glump, we're gonna get Mayor Garth to spend his Gizbit with us by baking special cookies full of his favorite ingredients so that he simply can't resist it. But we don't know what Mayor Garth's favorite things are. Oh, we will. See, we're gonna find out everything he likes. All this cookie talk is making me peckish. Ah. My favorite healthy snacks.
No, thank you.
Sprinkle seeds, eh? Mayor Garth just dropped some sprinkle seeds. Don't worry, I'll tidy up.
A troll tidying does not compute.
Even trolls deserve a chance to be helpful. First ingredient for our irresistible Garth cookie is sprinkle seeds.
They're way too healthy.
Final favorite ingredient, bumbleberries.
What?
Now to bake cookies that Mayor Garth simply can't resist. And he'll pay us with his Gizbit. Just one thing. You do know how to make cookies, right?
Bake them until they're rock hard.
Yeah, sounds about right. The Bake Wellie cart. Now to buy Wellie's favorite cookies. Get your sprinkle seed, strawberry ice cream, bumbleberry flavored cookies right here. Ooh, that sounds delicious. That's because they're 3 of your favorite things, all baked in.
Like they're specially made for you.
That's gonna cost you 1 Gizbit.
But Mayor Garth, aren't you here to buy special cookies from the Bake Wellie cart?
Well, yes, but these cookies have all my favorite things. I'm sure Wellie will like them.
Don't you think it's odd how the trolls know what all your favorite things are?
Thanks for your concern, but I simply must have it. Priceless. Great doing business with you. Bye. Ow! They're rock hard. Oh, what have I done?
Looks like Mayor Garth is annoyed with his choice of cookies.
I understand, Mayor Garth. It's easy to be tempted by something that you really like when it's put in front of you.
But now I've got nothing to give to Ooly Gilhooly. Oh, what will I do? Oh, come on! You broke it by going too fast.
Well, you steered it over a bump.
But it's time for Troll Din Dins. My tummy's rumbling. Mine too. Can you help us? Well, I'm annoyed with you for selling me these awful cookies.
You didn't like my cookies? Pah! Okay, maybe they are a teeny bit overdone.
I'd like my Gizbit back, please. No refunds.
How about you trade us the Gizbit for new wheels for your cart?
My troll tummy says it's a deal.
Ah, ooh, hey!
There, all set.
Well, we've learned something here today. You can't bake good cookies, Humble Bluff, but you can sure bake good wheels.
Thanks. Let's go.
Bye!
Laters!
Now to buy Ooly Gilhooly's favorite cookies. Here, just my way of saying thanks for your help with the silly shelf. It's your favorite cookie, Giznana Chip. That was the happiest shush I've ever heard from Ooly Gilhooly. Let me show you this silly shelf.
Thank you, Mayor Garth.
Ta-da!
Ooh, this is great!
Thank you for all your help today. From now on, I'll be extra careful to make sure that no sneaky trolls are gathering information on me.
Happy to help, Mayor Garth. Aren't you going to cut the ribbon and unveil the silly shelf?
As soon as I finish writing.
Writing?
Yes, I simply must put down the tale of the troll cart with the cookie wheel. The perfect story to add to the silly shelf. Can you stay a little longer?
I'd love to, Mayor Garth, but I really should be getting back home. Okay, Mo, time to go. Bye!
Goodbye!
Okay, Alva. I found a site that allows me to opt out of almost all cookies.
So, no annoying cookies?
Just information on a yummy cookie recipe. Now, what flavor would you like?
How about sprinkle seed, strawberry, and bumbleberry?
Or maybe just raisin?
Yes!
Okay then, let's get baking.
Woohoo!
Alva is a wonderful girl, just like you.
I'm playing this awesome online game.
She faces many challenges in the digital world.
Mom, would you help me turn off the notifications?
Using creative thinking, she always finds solutions. Alva's World, every day at 6:30 on A+ Kids. A+ Kids, grow smart.